everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I hope everyone is well. Happy September. The first day of autumn is right around the corner next week, and I wanted to finish up some end of summer projects that I've been working on. This is a project that I have been working on for several months. Life has been busy and at work. So every now and then when I have a little time, I craft a little bit here and there. So I wanted to share this before I gifted this to a sweet friend. So these are flip-flops. This is a 3D flip-flop that I picked up at the Whitlock website. And I do have a Cricut. And this year, my mantra was to use my Cricut more often because it's pretty easy to pull up a file and create using all the papers that I have. I essentially have a Tuesday morning in my house because I was a avid or very highly addicted a Tuesday morning shopper. And I have, one day I'll do a craft room share, but I have to get it organized. But I love paper crafting, and on top of that, I hoard a lot of pretty paper. So I wanted to share with you just a couple of summer projects. This, I use the Whitlock SVG flip-flop file, and I use the my Doodlebug paper that I picked up on Tuesday morning, the summer assortment. And these are some pretty little paper flowers that I had in my stash. And it's so cute. I've actually used this file several times over the summer to create little gifts. And basically you can add whatever gift you'd like. You can I put some shred in it, and I put little goodies here and there. I have little Doodlebug clips in here to gift to her, and a little purse chain to use for her purse. But I wanted to share how simple it is to create this file. If you're not a follower on my Instagram, I do have a little, I think it's an IGTV of how I created it. It's a time-lapse IGTV of how I created one side of the flip-flop. If you have any questions about this file, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to share with you more details. Another project that I made was a little gift card holder. So I'm gifting her a little Michael's gift card, but I have it downstairs. So I just wanted to share with you, this is a cute way of dressing up your gift cards. This is the Avery Elle die. It's like a, it's a little, a gift box die, if you will. And I've seen several ways. You can use it throughout the year. You can use it for birthdays. You can use it for baby shower. You can use baby shower paper. You can use it for Halloween, for the fall, if you want to gift a Starbucks or a Coffee Bean gift card, the Christmas season or holiday season, Hanukkah season, if you will. So it's a really simple die cut to use, and I thought it came out so cute. I used a little Doodlebug brad and a little Doodlebug stamp that says "for you," and I also used the summer Doodlebug paper. This is a little fabric bow that was gifted to me by Erica, Scrap Diva 29, in a unicorn swap, so it came out perfect. Thank you, Erica. So that is my second project, and my last project that I wanted to share with you was a card that I created for her. I love how this card came out. Before I go into the details of the card, I wanted to show you the products that I use. So I use this little flower stamp and string for the little happy birthday banner from Daiso. This is the little happy birthday die from Spellbinders, and you cut it out with whatever paper, whatever color cardstock, and then there's a little score line down the middle where you can fold over, and that's how you create the little banner piece. You can string it up. It's so cute. I used my Jaded Blossom card mat dies, the Tiki Hut dies, and the Tropical dies #2. Specifically the little the little flower as well as the little tiki lights and the little flip-flops. So cute. That's it. I was inspired by the Scrappin' Rabbit. Hey, Tina. So Tina created this card many years ago when the dies first came out from Jaded Blossom, and I really wanted to go ahead and try to make the card. So this is my first time using the Tiki Hut set, and I really love how it came out. I used the little velvet finish from the Doodlebug collection. It's like a little velvety a thick cardstock, and for the background, and the little tiki lights, I distressed it with the rusty, I forget what the distress is called, but I only have distress inks, the Tim Holtz distress inks, and I distressed it in a variety of different colors, and then I put a little bit of some golden stickles on there to create a little bit more dimension on the tiki torches. And then this is I distressed the edges of this craft cardstock, and then I used my Wink of Stella to create the little sand, the little glitter on the sand. And then I used like a light peach color cardstock, and I distressed the top of the bar stools, and I loved how that came out. I used a foam to cut out the little drinks, and I believe I used this punch for their the banners. This one I used the flip-flop die. They're a little bit different. And I add some gold stickles here, carefully glued it one by one. It took me about 3 hours to create this card, and I love it. It's so cute. And then on the inside, I glued the little flip-flops, and I put a happy memory never wears out. It's a belated happy birthday card, but her and her family visited Hawaii, and they took a little family vacation together, so I'm sure that was a very happy memory with her son and husband and mother and some extended family. So I hope she likes this card. So this is my card share, my flip-flop share, and my gift card share for today. I hope you continue to follow me in my crafting journey. I am working on some fall projects as well as some Halloween projects coming up, so I hope you will tune in. If you are not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye.